Rate 3% cash back at U.S. supermarkets on up to $6,000 per year in purchases, then 1%. 3% cash back on U.S. online retail purchases on up to $6,000 per year in purchases, then 1%. 3% cash back at U.S. gas stations on up to $6,000 per year in purchases, then 1%. 1%. Cash back on all other purchases. Cash back is received in the form of reward dollars that can be redeemed as a statement credit, or on Amazon.com at checkout benefits. Generous intro APR on purchases and balance transfers. Get a $7 monthly statement credit after spending $9.99 or more on a streaming subscription to the Disney Bundle. Why we like it. On top of its long intro APR offer, the Amex Blue Cash Everyday also provides an excellent mix of elevated rewards and ongoing benefits, all with no annual fee. While you might find a card with a few of these perks, it's rare to find one that has them all. Blue Cash Preferred. Card from American Express. Best for elevated cash. Back rates and fees, terms apply. Annual fee, 0 intro. Annual fee for the first year, then $95. Welcome offer. Earn a $250 statement credit after spending $3,000 in Eli.